Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to move multiple apps at once on iPhone. So to do that is really simple. You will go and long press on the app that you want to move, and after that click on Edit Home Screen. After that, long press on the first app and stay like pressing on it, and after that, just like while you are still holding, try to like tap to like the other apps you want to move with that application. So for example, I will tap Snapchat, other app, other app, other app. And as you can see, at the same time, there is a number that appeared, and that number is the number of apps that I'm moving. And after that, I can take them to whatever I want, and just after that, like move my finger from the screen. And as you can see, I moved the 5 apps together. Of course, you can move them to another screen or move them to a folder or whatever things that you want. For example, I will move that Proton VPN and Rad Weather to utilities, like I did. Press and hold, and after that tap, and after that I took them to utilities and I moved both of the apps. And after that you have to click on the right icon on the top right of the screen, and when I enter now to the utilities, I find those apps there. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.